Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. Can you pass this English test? Only a rare few get every answer right. No cheating, no pausing. Hit the like button, let's begin. By this time next year, the new bridge. A, will build. B, will have built. C, are building. D, build. Answer: B, will have built. The police, investigating the incident. A, is. B, are. C, was. D, have been. Answer: B, are. They had finished the report. A, don't they? B, hadn't they? C, didn't they? D, haven't they? Answer: B, hadn't they? What is the synonym of vivid? A, bright. B, dull. C, faint. D, pale. Answer: A, bright. By the time the ambulance arrived, the patient A, fainted. B, faints. C, had already fainted. D, has fainted. Answer: C, had already fainted. He, to school every day by bus. A, travel. B, travels. C, traveling. D, traveled. Answer: B, travels. What is the synonym of eloquent? A, silent. B, tongue-tied. C, mumbling. D, articulate. Answer: D, articulate. She is very passionate. Wildlife conservation. A, for. B, on. C, with. D, about. Answer: D, about. Either the manager or the employees to blame for the error. A, is. B, was. C, has been. D, are. Answer: D, are. What is the synonym of tranquil? A, stormy. B, hectic. C, noisy. D, peaceful. Answer: D, peaceful. Every student expected to submit the assignment on time. A, are. B, have been. C, is. D, were. Answer C. Is. We lunch when the guests arrived. A. Had. B. Have had. C. Have. D. Were having. Answer D. Were having. What is the antonym of courageous? A. Bold. B. Daring. C. Cowardly. D. Brave. Answer C. Cowardly. He has been absent. Monday. A. For. B. During. C. Since. D. From. Answer C. Since. She can speak 3 languages? A. Doesn't she? B. Can't she? C. Couldn't she? D. Isn't she? Answer B. Can't she? The letter was addressed the wrong person. A. For. B. To. C. At. D. With. Answer B. To. Economics, a very challenging subject for many students. A. Are. B. Were. C. Have been. D. Is. Answer D. Is. He never tells the truth. A. Is he? B. Isn't he? C. Doesn't he? D. Does he? Answer D. Does he? He. His keys before he left the house. A. Loses. B. Had lost. C. Was losing. D. Lost. Answer B. Had lost. She succeeded, passing the entrance exam on her first attempt. A. At. B. On. C. For. D. In. Answer D. In. The committee yet to announce its decision. A. Are. B. Were. C. Is. D. Have. Answer C. Is. The majority of the work already been completed. A. Are. B. Has. C. Were. D. Have. Answer B. Has. She for the company for 10 years before she retired. A. Had been working. B. Works. C. Has worked. D. Worked. Answer A. Had been working. What is the antonym of frugal? A. Extravagant. B. Thrifty. C. Economical. D. Careful. Answer A. Extravagant. He insisted, paying the full bill himself. A. On. B. About. C. Of. D. For. Answer A. On. What is the synonym of apprehensive? A. Confident. B. Anxious. C. Relaxed. D. Fearless. Answer B. Anxious. Not only the players, but also the coach interviewed. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are. D. Have been. Answer B. Was. What is the synonym of benevolent? A. Cruel. B. Kind. C. Selfish. D. Harsh. Answer B. Kind. She congratulated her, winning the championship. A. About. B. On. C. Of. D. For. Answer B. On. You will call me when you arrive? A. Will you? B. Won't you? C. Shall you? D. Do you? Answer B. Won't you? Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.